2014 का आदेश है वो तो।
14
आपने कब खरीदी? 2014 के पहले खरीदी, बाद में खरीदी? 2016 में खरीदी। उससे आपको आज क्या राइट क्रिएट हो गया? Order has been maintained. Order of this court has been maintained.
Yes.
And only time has been given to hear the intervention.
Yes. So Lordship,
अभी तक आप क्या कर रहे थे? 2016 से प्रॉपर्टी
मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था ये तो।
आपको ये नहीं मालूम था कि ये आपने इलीगल खरीदा है और आपको उसको कंपाउंड कराना है?
ये मैंने जब एप्लीकेशन लगाई,
अग्रवाल साहब,
विडो लेडी इज देयर।
अग्रवाल साहब, रिश्वत 1 रुपए की हो चाहे 1000, या तो आप अंडरटेकिंग दे दीजिए, आप हटा देंगे तो मैं ब्रीदिंग टाइम दे दूंगा।
I have a right to file
हाँ ठीक है ना, इसलिए by 10 AM tomorrow.
an application for intervention. Even before the petition was filed, my lord, I had purchased the suit property, the subject property. I have not been included as a party.
नहीं, when was the order passed to demolish this?
So that was passed on third of this. Your lordship, sir.
नहीं, हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर नहीं, ऑर्डर ऑफ द अथॉरिटीज डिक्लेयरिंग इट टू बी लीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन, वो कब है?
Sir, keeping. My lord, annexure P2, my lord, page 70, my lord, it was passed on
2014 का आदेश है वो तो।
14
आपने कब खरीदी? 2014 के पहले खरीदी, बाद में खरीदी? 2016 में खरीदी। उससे आपको आज क्या राइट क्रिएट हो गया? There is already an order.
My respects for submission. At present, my lord, I am the owner of the.
You may be, if you can file a suit for damages against the seller who, despite knowing the fact there is an order for demolition, sold that property in your favor.
But still, my lord, I can protect the property. If it is compoundable, my lord, I have already filed an application for compound. If it is compoundable, my lord, it can be compounded.
Who's appearing for the municipal corporation?
I am appealing.
Your which municipal corporation?
Andwa.
कितना compoundable है इसमें से?
My lord, the rules amended in 2022 permit 30%.
वो कैसे अप्लाई होंगे?
That is a legal question, my lord.
10% ही है ना, 10% ही अप्लाई होगा। बता दीजिए 10% के बाद कितना बचता है इसमें?
वो सर, ये एप्लीकेशन अभी रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं है, ये अभी फाइल हुई है सर, 2-3 दिनों में। So I had no instructions on that.
Why you have not demolished it?
My lord, there was a direction from your lordship, my lord, so that's how we were present before the bench.
मुझे मालूम है कल आप रेट अपील में भी हो आए हैं।
जी, वो because
order has been maintained, order of this court has been maintained.
Yes.
And only time has been given to hear the intervention.
Yes. So lordship,
Now the issue is that a person who is a subsequent purchaser, after the orders were passed for demolition of the property, what right or title he has? He may have a title, but he has no right.
He gets what he has purchased, my lord.
What he has purchased.
He gets that.
Buyer
better
beware.
title.
उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Buyer beware.
Yes.
Doctrine of caveat emptor.
Caveat emptor. So he doesn't get a better title or a right than the predecessor. My lord. We are not defending anything, my lord. There was a direction for presence, so therefore we were present before the division bench
Lord,
yesterday.
kindly consider. Lord, she is a widow lady.
हाँ।
Her son is suffering, Lord, from cancer.
जी।
Now the total disputed property is 800 square feet. Total, it's a dwelling house, my lord. It's not a commercial property. It is not situated on main road. It is also compoundable, my lord. 2016 rules have been amended, my lord, and it is compoundable. Even the state government launched a special drive for compounding of all unauthorized construction.
अभी तक आप क्या कर रहे थे? 2016 से प्रॉपर्टी
मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था ये तो।
आपको ये नहीं मालूम था कि ये आपने इलीगल खरीदा है और आपको उसको कंपाउंड कराना है?
ये मैंने जब एप्लीकेशन लगाई, जब ये हुआ,
सेलर के लिए कौन है? सेलर तो पार्टी है ना इसमें। रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 4 के लिए कौन है? Who is appearing for respond number 4? रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 4 के लिए कौन है? आप अपना डैमेजेस का सूट फाइल करके ले लीजिए रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 4 से।
The property can still be compounded. No, lordship may kindly consider. The rules permit.
There are successive orders. There are successive orders.
Still, despite these orders, if the offence is compoundable,
where is the order? Where is the order? Let us read annexure P2.
Yes, that is annexure P3. Page 90.
P2 is the order. P2 is the
where is the order of demolition by the authorities? With
that is P3.
P3.
That is,
जी, उसमें क्या लिखा है? पढ़िएगा।
No, Lord, this order has been passed pursuant to direction issued by this honorable.
Yes.
I am aware, my lord, this order was challenged by the original owner.
Yes.
The petition has been dismissed.
Yes.
Now, still, my lord, I submit, my lord, that I am a bona fide purchaser.
No, you are not a bona fide purchaser.
There is nothing on record to show, my lord, that I was aware of what these proceedings. Your lordship may kindly see my bona fide. But she is a lady.
You should have been aware while purchasing the property. And if you fail to, then the doctrine of KVA tempter will be applicable. And you
Forgive-
cannot claim any mercy on the ground that she is an old lady or her son is suffering from cancer.
But my,
Yes, I can give you a liberty which you already have under law to sue the seller and seek damages from him for selling a property with a defective title.
but my submission is the corporation lot can still compound it.
No, no, no.
No, no, this is not coming in the way, not it is
I'm
not causing
sorry.
any nuisance.
I'm
to the
sorry.
public.
Yes.
The Lordship may kindly concern.
And I'll pass the orders.
May not be kindly concerned. My submission, respectful submission is,
Ji.
my application for intervention may kindly be allowed, but and I may be permitted to file reply.
No, no, I'm
Right
not.
from 2016, Lord, the corporation is accepting property tax from me. The corporation never informed me, Lord, that this house.
कॉर्पोरेशन का प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स लेना वैसा ही रहता है जैसे कि सब रजिस्ट्रार के यहाँ हाई कोर्ट की रजिस्ट्री हो जाना।
At that stage also, Lord, the
नहीं नहीं, कॉर्पोरेशन का प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स तो जो हमको खुद ही नहीं मालूम रहता वो किससे ले रहे हैं, कौन दे रहा है, कौन नहीं दे रहा है।
That anybody can go and deposit.
my Lord, house number, now there is a property identification number. Each property is identified. It is a computer generated system.
तो
Every property has been.
in addition, भाई प्रॉपर्टी का तो आपने उपयोग किया ना, तो प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स तो देना ही पड़ेगा। It is not your case that you were not in possession of the property and yet property tax.
That is
Don't
not
try
my-
to divert issue.
My case is not that the corporation never objected, Madam. Corporation never informed me that this is unauthorized construction, it is liable to be demolished. Corporation
It was not for the corporation to mention it to you. It was for your seller to mention it to you.
In 2014, the corporation passed the order.
भाई आपकी salary-
Corporation could have demolished in 2014 itself. My rights would not have suffered, my lord. I purchased in 2016, 2 years later.
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
If the, yes,
चलिएगा। और कुछ कहना है आपको बताइए।
my submission is that your lordship may kindly permit me to intervene
नहीं,
and file a reply.
I am rejecting your application for intervention. लिखिएगा। Urged Shri Sanjay K. Agrawal, learned senior advocate, assisted by Shri Sarthak Nema on IE 8071/2022, an application under Order 1 Rule 8 CPC for intervention and WP. यही है ना आपकी एप्लीकेशन? ये तो 2022 से है, आप
2022.
3 से थी, full stop. Now when the orders of this, when this court had passed an stern order on 3/3/2025 directing the collector Khandwa to assist the respondent number 2 in removal of encroachment, then this order was assailed before the writ appellate court. Full stop. Writ appellate court has not intervened in the order, but has granted liberty to the, कहाँ है writ appeal court का order? दीजिएगा। ERP पे नोट किया होगा ना
Just
आपने?
upload it.
ERP पे है? नहीं, ERP पे तो
The ERP
loaded नहीं।
अभी करते हैं।
Lord, there is WA number 693 of 25.
WA number 693/25। दीजिएगा जरा इसका ऑर्डर निकाल के, कल का ऑर्डर है।
सर मेरा सर बिता कॉर्पोरेशन उसको सर थोड़ा सा जस्टिस शुड बी टेम्पर्ड विद मर्सी लॉर्डशिप में हैव मर्सी अ पर्सन हु स्मॉल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 800 स्क्वायर फीट had it been a commercial complex not or a multi-story building I would not have insisted so much but your lordship
अग्रवाल साहब,
a widow lady is there
अग्रवाल साहब, रिश्वत 1 रुपए की हो चाहे 1000,
नहीं सर रिश्वत का केस नहीं सर
नहीं
ये तो एक
जो-
घर है सर जो
जो गलत
जिसमें
है
वो
वो
रह
गलत
रही है
है।
जिसमें वो रह रही she has purchased after my lord spending the entire my lord earning of her husband she has purchased this house now if somebody commits my lord mischief my lord and sells the property which is to be demolished then this person should not suffer if it is compoundable my lord the corporation is bound to consider my prayer my only prayer is your lordship may differ my lord here let the corporation examine whether it is compoundable so many unauthorized constructions are there they have been compounded. Now, this small dwelling house, my lord, it's a dwelling house which is being used by the person herself. my lord. Your lordship may kindly consider, my lord, have some mercy on this lady.
ये ठीक है, चलिए कल लिखा रखे, संभाल के लिखिएगा। To the interventionist to approach this court and press for his application for intervention. Full stop. Till then, orders of this court dated 3/3/2025 were kept in abeyance. That is, they have been kept in abeyance till 11/3/2025. Next page. Before adverting to the merits of the application, it is necessary to refer to the conduct of the interventionist. Application was filed in the year 2022 and to be precise on 9/6/22. Full stop. on 3/3/2025, when this case was listed, nobody appeared for the interventionist. Full stop. Prior to that also, no, no attempt was made to move an application for urgent hearing or like that, seeking court slip, etc., to press the application for intervention. Full stop. Next one. When orders were passed, taking a note of the fact that there are orders of the coordinate benches upholding the removal of encroachment of the private respondent number 4, then all of a sudden, when a stern order was passed, the interventionist woke from his slumber and approached the honorable division bench. Next pair. As far as locus of the interventionist is concerned, he admits that he had purchased the property in dispute in the year 2016. Full stop. Though it is submitted that he was never informed about the pending litigation or the fact that the property happens to be an illegal construction, comma, it is submitted that property be allowed to be compounded in as much as, firstly, seller had not informed him about the correct title of the property. Secondly, the purchaser is an old lady. And thirdly, that her son is suffering from cancer. Full stop. All these pleas are when examined, then the fact of the matter is that purchaser should always be aware of the title of the seller. Full stop. Doctrine of caveat emptor is applicable. That means buyer beware. Full stop. Thus, if proposed intervener decided to purchase a property without inquiring about its title, then she has in fact purchased a defective title with all ancillary liabilities which are accompanied with such defective title. Full stop. It is also, next para, it is also true that, and as admitted by Shri Naman Nagarath, learned senior advocate, assisted by Shri Jubin Prasad, that application for compounding was not filed from 2016 till recently. Full stop. Shri Nagarath in fact submits that if application would have been filed, it may have been filed in last 4 or 5 days and not prior to that.
8 March को online file.
It was filed on 8 March.
Online.
Specific date. It was filed on 8 March.
Online. Online mode.
It is to be on.
Through online mode. ठीक है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Online आप permit करते हैं, इसलिए वो online होने का
मतलब mode is online.
Online mode. Full stop. The fact of the matter is that intervener, after purchasing the property, never approached the municipal corporation for its compounding. Full stop. Another aspect is that for 8 long years, intervener was not aware of this fact is belied from the very fact that application for intervention was filed in the year 2022. And that means that at least in the year 2022, proposed intervener had fair idea about the defect in her title. And therefore, if the submission made by learned senior counsel Shri Sanjay K. Agrawal is to be accepted, then at least in 2022, application for compounding should have been filed. Full stop. Next para. Thus, it is evident that frail attempts are being made to defeat the orders of the court. Full stop. Next para. Plea of humanity and mercy sounds very attractive, but we are also conscious of this court is also conscious of the fact that justice should not be allowed to be delayed or defeated on the plea of mercy. Full stop. Doctrine of caveat emptor will keep on haunting the intervener. Full stop. That doctrine is on statute book, and as long as it is not wiped out, it will be binding force on the intervener. Full stop. Therefore, intervener may have a cause of action against the respondent number 4, that is the seller, to claim damages for selling a property with defective title, but has no cause to seek intervention before this court. Full stop. Therefore, intervention application fails and is dismissed. Full stop. Order dated, next para, order dated 3/3/25 is reiterated. The property be encroachment from the property be removed by 8 PM today.
सर वो dwelling house है थोड़ा
क्या हो गया? सामान उठा के बाहर रख
It will
लीजिए.
be absolutely compliant.
By 10 AM कर दीजिए. By 10 AM.
breathing time.
Some breathing time it
हाँ 10 AM. 10 AM tomorrow. या तो आप अंडरटेकिंग दे दीजिए, आप हटा देंगे तो मैं ब्रीदिंग टाइम दे दूंगा.
I have a right to file this.
हाँ ठीक है ना, इसीलिए by 10 AM tomorrow. And report will be furnished by the municipal commissioner and the collector Khandwa. चलिए. आप अगर अंडरटेकिंग दे रहे हैं तो मैं आपको टाइम दे सकता हूँ. क्या आप हटा लेंगे?
I will have to see.
आप इंस्ट्रक्शंस लेके बता दीजिए. आई विल वेट फॉर 5 मिनट्स. आप भी 5 मिनट अगर कहीं और मुकदमा नहीं तो वेट कर लीजिए.